Today tutorial we are going to see chapter 2 tutorial 1. Open the Siemens NX. Now open, create a new file. So in this select the model template and enter the name as c02 tutorial 1 and change the folder to a new folder and say OK. New NX file is created. Now select create sketch from this direct sketch group. Select XY plane of the datum coordinate system and accept default orientations. Now we are inside the sketching environment. For this tutorial, let's take the profile tool. Start from the origin XY00 and enter 80 as the length and angle 0 in the dynamic input box. Now right click and fit to the sketching window. You can reduce the dimension of this font size. Now draw the outer profile using the profile tool. Enter 10 and angle 90 in the dynamic input box. 15 and 180, 30 and 90 as the angle, 15 and 0 as the angle, 10 and 90 in the dynamic input box, 80 and 180 as the angle, enter 10 and minus 90 or 270 as the angle. Next 15, 0 as the angle. Next enter 30, minus 90 or 270 as the angle. Enter 15 and 180 as the angle. Enter 10 and minus 90 or 270 as the angle. Now the sketch outer profile is complete. The inside the sketch has turned blue. Now press escape twice. We are out of this profile tool. Now we are going to draw the rectangle. Select the rectangle tool and provide 25 and 15 as the XY coordinate as the input in the dynamic input box. Now enter 30 as the width and 20 as the height. Now the rectangle has been drawn, but still it is in the magenta color. Now we need to press at the top corner so that it will draw the rectangle. So we have completed the outer profile. Press escape and rearrange the dimensions for our readability. Now save the file and give finish the sketch. To close the file, close selected parts, select C02 tutorial 1 and say OK. This completes chapter 2 tutorial 1.